Hello and welcome to my channel. I am back with another SQL question. So the question is to generate two character alphabetical series. So let me go to my GE sheet and explain you what's the question. So here if you can see two digit alphabetical series. So the series starts like AA, then AB, then AC. The first character goes till A and the second character goes till A to Z, and after the second character goes to Z, then the first character changes to B and the second character again starts from A and goes to Z, and we need to stop when the character both the characters are ZZ. So we will get around 676 rows when we solve this question. Looking at this problem, you will start thinking how to solve this. You will start thinking so that you can come up with any trick to solve this question. But trust me, if you know all the join concept, looking at the problem at the first glance, you can come up with the solution without any trick. So let me show you the solution. So here I am using BigQuery to solve this problem. What I am going to do is, first I am going to generate alphabetical series from A to Z. So to generate series from A to Z, what I am going to do is I am going to generate series from numbers 65 to 90, because 65 is the ASCII value of character capital A, and the 90 is the ASCII value of character capital Z. So I am going to do like select generate underscore array, generate array, starting value is 65 and ending value is 90. So if you see here, what I'll get is I'll get numbers from 65 to 90. So this is the array column. I need to unnest it. Okay, so if you are not familiar with unnest, so it's just explode in PySpark, or it's just a way to unnest the array. So if you see here, this is row 1 and we have all the values in that row 1 only. So using unnest, all the values will be on the separate rows. So I'll be having 26 rows for these 26 values. Okay, so I'll be using unnest and I'll name it as I, and I'll be selecting I from here. So if you see now here, so from so if you see here now, so if you see here, I have values from rows from total rows 1 to 26, and the values from 65 to 90. Then what I am going to do is I'll write this in a city. So I am going to write with data as I'm naming the city as data. Now what I'm going to do is, as I said, if you are familiar with all the join concept, looking at the first glance, you can come up with the solution, and the solution is using the cross join. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write select from data d1. I'm going to use cross join. So okay, cross join data d2, and I'm going to select d1 dot I and then d2 dot I. Okay, now let's see what's the output. Let me sort order by I, and let me rename this there I, and then this will be J. Okay, so rename order by 1 comma 2, and if you see here now 65 65, so this is AA, and this is 65 and this is 66, so it is AB, and this is 65, this is 67, so this is AC. And if I come down, So here if you see, here it is 65 and 90, so this is A and this is Z, and then again series starts from 66 and 65. Okay, so this is B, A, and then B, 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 C, and if I come to the last value, so last value is 90, 90, so this is ZZ. So total I have 676 rows. So this is ASCII value, and what I can do now to convert this to character. So what I'll do is CHR character of, I'm going to take character of this D dot I, and so I have converted this ASCII value to characters. So I have the same value now. Now these are in two different columns, I need to concat them. So I'll use concat, and then this both the columns are having string value, so I can concat them. And okay, so now run this. So if you see here, we have the required output, so A, B, A, C, and if I come down, so we have B, A, B, 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 C, and the last column, last row is Z, 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 Y, Z, X, something like that. So in this way we can solve this question. So this was the BigQuery specific thing. So I searched on the Google, and there I found there is a Postgres uh, function which generates the array, and the name is generate series. So you can, instead of generate array, you can use generate series and solve that question in Postgres also. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, you can press that like button, and for more such videos you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks and bye.